Hello and welcome back to the next episode of Wildlife of Blackbuck National Park. As we already know, that Blackbuck National Park at Velavadar is largely famous for the large herds of blackbucks. This national park is a unique grassland ecosystem, primarily declared a national park to protect these wonderful creatures called blackbucks. Apart from blackbucks, it also hosts a variety of wildlife like Indian wolves, striped hyenas, jungle cats, jackals, nilgai, and wild boar, and numerous migratory species of birds. Blackbuck National Park is also a critical bird-watching site. Its unique mix of grasslands, salt flats, and wetlands support diverse mammals and over 140 bird species. Every year, birds from Siberia, Europe, and Central Asia migrate to Velavadar to escape harsh climates. Those who haven't watched the first episode can click on the link given below in the description box to check out the bird species that are found here. I have spoken about that in that episode. In this episode, we will be talking only about the mammals that we found here in the Blackbuck National Park. So let's start with blackbucks. The blackbuck, scientific name Antelope cervicapra, is a type of antelope. These graceful animals live mainly in western India. You can also find them in parts of Pakistan and Nepal. The blackbuck is a medium-sized antelope. It is known for its beautiful spiraling horns. Only the male blackbucks have these horns. They can grow quite long, sometimes over 20 inches. Male blackbucks are usually dark brown or black on their backs and sides. They have white fur on their bellies, inner legs, and around their eyes. This creates a striking contrast. Young males and females are lighter in color, often yellowish brown. Blackbucks prefer open grasslands and lightly wooded areas. They like places where they can graze easily. They are often found near water sources. These animals are very fast runners. They can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. This helps them escape from predators. They live in quite large herds, having one dominant male, several females, and their young. Sadly, these are endangered species in some areas, and efforts are being made to protect them. Sanctuaries and national parks help keep them safe. Blackbuck populations in India have declined due to heavy poaching, extensive habitat loss from agricultural conversion and fragmentation, leading to increased human-animal conflict, road accidents, and stress. Starting with just about 18 square kilometers, the park expanded an area to about 34 square kilometers and now protects one of the largest wild blackbuck populations in the country. It is one of the major success stories for conservation in India, alongside thriving population of wolves, hyenas, and unique harrier bird roosts. Oh wow! Something amazing is approaching us, and that is an Indian wolf. Indian wolves, scientific name Canis lupus palpus. Indian wolves in Blackbuck National Park are vital apex predators that primarily hunt the park's abundant blackbuck antelope, using strategic ambushes in the vast grasslands, a rare sight where their predator-prey dynamic is clearly visible. These elusive, endangered wolves are adapted to semi-arid environments, relying on their speed and pack coordination to hunt, controlling herbivore populations and maintaining ecological balance, with the park serving as a crucial refuge against habitat loss. It is slender in build, specifically adapted for speed and endurance in open grasslands, and its diet primarily consists of blackbucks, somewhere around 88% of its diet. But also, rodents and hares are sometimes hunted by this beautiful, wonderful creature. When an endangered predator species preys on an endangered prey species in an ecosystem that is maintained by management, it becomes essential to evaluate the role of predation to aid in making conservation and management decisions. And such a situation exists here in this 34 square kilometer Velavadar National Park, Gujarat. Indian wolves have a history of preying on children, a phenomenon called child lifting. In 1878, 624 people were killed by wolves in India. Human-wildlife conflict has emerged as a major threat to the survival of the Indian wolf, particularly where human settlement and agricultural expansion coincides with its territory. With increasing grasslands and scrublands being converted into agricultural lands or cities, Indian wolves have no other option but to venture into villages in search of food. It commonly leads to livestock predation, especially where wild prey is scarce. Wolf populations are poisoned, trapped, or killed in retaliation by organized groups in local communities. In contrast to such more charismatic or safeguarded species as tigers and elephants, the Indian wolf lacks substantial legal protection under Indian wildlife law and is thus more liable to persecution. To mitigate this conflict, community education and improved practice in livestock management, along with legal protection of the ecological function of the Indian wolf, is necessary. After an encounter with this rare species, we came across another rare species found in this Velavadar Blackbuck National Park, a jungle cat. Yes, scientific name Felis chaus. A jungle cat is a medium-sized cat. Jungle cat is long-legged and is the largest of the extant Felis species. Females tend to be smaller and lighter than males. The face is long and narrow, with a white muzzle. We came across this species and witnessed 3 hunting attempts by it, and it was amazing to see how precisely it hunts, coming with a reward each time. If you want to know about it in details, I have posted a video already. You can check out.
देखो पकड़ के, वाह।
थोड़ा आगे लो।
After this, we came across nilgais. The nilgai Bosilaphus tragocamelus, or a blue bull, is Asia's largest antelope, known for its sloping back, deep neck, and distinct blue-gray males or tawny females coat, with males having short horns. They are herbivores and active during the day, found in Indian subcontinent's grasslands and woodlands, and play an ecological role but sometimes conflict with farmers due to crop raiding, leading to pest status in some areas. Like and subscribe to my channel if you find my videos interesting and informative. That will motivate me to bring more such interesting videos to you in future. Thanks for watching. Bye.